subscribe.
Come on, class. What's the answer?
No idea.
Fine, I'll do it myself.
At last.
Pay attention.
Let's go. Stay low. We need to get to the door. Whoa!
Huh?
Where are we?
It's a secret room.
You mean our secret room!
Nice! Let's tidy it up. Whoa, there's a lot of junk.
Ugh, and a lot of spiders! Ugh!
It's a good start.
This is awesome! This is gonna be a lot of work.
But it'll be fun.
Hey! What are you doing? That's my seat!
I was here first.
Stop it! Wait.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Musical chairs!
You're going down!
Yeah, down on the seat. No! Ouch, my butt!
Now look what you've done!
Uh-oh!
Wow, that was lucky.
What just happened?
We can use this to make a chair! We just need some more cardboard. This is perfect! Get drawing!
Are you serious? I hope this works. I can use this plant pot as a template. And I already have a pen. I'll just draw around the plant pot. Then I'll stick these pens to it. It'll help speed things up. That's exactly what I want. That works so well. I still need to cut it. Careful, I don't want to ruin it now. I think that's it. I don't need this. This'll be the frame. Now this glue gun. I'll just go around the outside with the glue. Then I can stick this cardboard to it. I just need to give it a press to make it stick. Whoa, this is looking amazing. I need to put a second frame on the opposite side. And use some glue to hold it. It needs more frames in the middle. These cardboard squares will make perfect slats. This'll strengthen it. Okay, now I have to cover it. This is the easy part. And this foam will give it padding. We want it to be comfortable. And this blanket will act as a cover. It's so soft. This'll add some finishing touches. I'm actually impressed. I should do this for a living. Whew. I need a rest.
Not so fast. I want to try it out. It was my idea after all. There's still a lot to do.
Ooh, what's this?
My drink's finished. Do we have a table? Meh, I'll just leave it here.
This looks like a good read. Where did that come from? It's stuck on my shoe! Get it off! Look at it go!
I have an idea.
Let's get to work. Thanks. It's time to start drilling. The librarian is gonna be so mad about this. I've drilled a hole in the book. I'll put this to one side. Look at this. This can be the base. I'll attach this pipe to it. It'll give us some height. Then I'll slide the books onto it. I'll arrange them in a spiral. Then I'll add another piece of wood to the top. Now we have a table.
Hey, it works!
We need some decorations. It looks pretty good, huh? Hey, Lexi! I found a game!
And I found a plant. We need a little nature in this room.
Come on, let's play!
It's not really my thing.
Aw, you're mean. I'm bored. Oh, look at that! I want them! I challenge you to a duel!
Don't point that thing at me!
Come on, it'll be fun!
Why not? Take that!
Oh, you're good! Where did my noodle go?
That's it on the floor. Look at all these pieces. I wonder. I think we could use these.
Sounds good.
We'll arrange the foam pieces in a row. Then we'll work our way down, sticking them together, until we've made a rug. I'll put it right here.
I love it. It feels so soft. Maybe now we could play?
Set it up.
Woohoo!
Wow, this book is amazing.
Check out this cool rainbow. Oh, what's this? Fairy lights? Cool! Hey, Lexi!
Let's get creative.
You hold that.
It's pretty long.
Gotcha!
Miles! No! What are you doing?
Ooh, let's light you up.
I feel so magical. Oh, I know! I'll start by brushing glue onto an inflated balloon. Then I'll add scraps of paper to it. I'll cover the whole balloon, but I've let a small part uncovered. This is important. I need to pop the balloon. I'll thread the fairy lights into the hole. Now we have our own lamp. But we're not finished. I'll take a paper cup and add a small dab of glue to it. I'll attach some string, and then start to wind it around the cup. I'll keep the string nice and tight, and a little glue to hold the other end in place. Next, I need a wooden skewer. This glue gun is coming in handy. I'll stick skewers to the inside of the cup, then top with the paper mache balloon. It looks just like a hot air balloon.
We can hang it from the ceiling.
And we need an adventure in the basket.
This is awesome!
I'm proud of that. It's so warm.
We need to cool down. Any ideas?
Turn on the fan.
It's not working. I think it's broken.
What are we gonna do now? Oh, I could make my own fan. A little fold here, one there. Ta-da!
Cool. I hope this helps. Oh yeah. That's good.
That's the stuff. Hang on. We could use this to decorate the wall.
Good idea.
Let's go.
I'll start by folding the paper. Fold, then flip it over, then fold again. Keep doing this all the way down. Keep the folds the same length. Give each fold a press to create a seam. Okay, that's looking good. Now we'll fold the paper in half. This creates a fan. Pinch it in the middle and use a stapler to hold it. This is exactly what we need. Now we can stick them together to make a wall decoration.
Careful.
We don't want to break it now.
It's so colorful.
Let's hang it on the wall. It can go here.
Wow! It looks so cozy.
We did an amazing job.
It's so colorful.
What a difference! I'm never leaving! Wait! What is going on in here? And who is this guy? What do we do? Get back to class! Now! I'm so disappointed. Disappointed that I never knew about this earlier. This is nice. Aw, cute. Aw.
Tonight's class is all about symmetry. Oh, hello? What? Tell me everything!
Sweet! I know what we should do. Wait! You see that? Look! That X! And a hammer! Come on! What do you think it means? Huh? Nothing. I guess. Or we can just use this. Uh-huh. I'm getting to the bottom of this. Woohoo! I'm in! Well? No way! A secret room? And it's all ours! A beanbag chair? Pretty cool. Wait. I've got snacks! Wait, Molly? This cat talks? Hey! That's mine! Says who? Says me! Gimme! Hey! It's mine! Jeez. Who made her boss? This feels more like it. Ugh, this floor is so hard. All done. Ugh. Hey! Huh? Oh, sorry. Whatever. I hate litter. But I love a good recycling moment. Just wait till you see this makeover. Tape to the rescue. There. Perfect. I made a bunch of them. Looking good. Good thing my roomie's always thirsty. Hello, bottle bed. And to soften things up, a cozy blanket. And pillows. Wow! It's perfect! Oh yeah, this is amazing! What do you think? Look! Where'd you get a bed? I made it, duh! Now it feels like home. What about all that stuff? It's organizing time! It definitely has potential. Minus the creepy spider webs. What's all this? Ooh, a little mouse? What if it were real? We can pretend it is. Hey! What? Look! What? I found something! And it's dead! Ah! Mouse! Wait, that's not real. Gotcha! So easy. Oh, a comic book. Looks like garbage to me. Wait! What? We can use this. Get it? Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Time to get crafty up in here. Starting with a good base. Looking good. Ta-da! Page number 1. Just follow the shape of the shelf. Give it a coat and keep going. You can use as many pages as you want. Can't forget the sides. It's so easy. See? Wow. Looks great. This junk has gotta go. Bye. Ugh. You like it? It's so cool. But wait, there's more. Ready? Yes! Come on. Rawr! Huh? Oh, yeah, our stuff. My books fit in perfectly. Yep, there's room for tons of stuff. Look how amazing this looks. It's come a long way, right? Yeah! There's even room for him. See? It fits. Yeah! Wait, what? I sure did. Too easy. It's all good. I'm digging our spot. It's a little me. And a little me too. And this is both of us. Yeah, it is. We're awesome. So is this room. Check it out. I didn't know she could grow a mustache. Uh-oh. Didn't see you there, Teach. Detention! Right now! I hate detention. No phones. No snacks. No heels. Ugh. No fun. Just studying here. Now pay attention, girls. Shall we? Careful. Be really quiet, okay? Hurry! Shh! She's over there. Huh? Whoa! Where are we? I don't know. Wow! I didn't know this room was here. Ditto. It's ours now. Green socks? Okay, fine I guess. Ooh, very nice. But wait. Nah, they don't match. Nope. How about purple? Nah, still bad. But red? Why isn't anything working? Come on. Who am I kidding? It's hopeless. What's that smell? Socks? What on earth? Do you mind? Weird. Seriously? Hey! Oh, sorry. Yeah. Ever think of wearing these? Huh? Wait! Ooh, pretty! Thanks! Now I don't have to choose a color. Happy to help. But look at all these socks. I can use them for something. Can you guess what it is? Just watch and learn. Notice the pattern? This is pretty fun. Just keep twisting. Keep going. There! I made it to the end. Phew. Hey! Look! What? Cool. A new rug? Where'd you get that? Not my socks. Nah, just found it. Thanks for the new socks. It's coming together in here. Oh yeah. Hey, window? No. A light. Fresh air though. No, light. What? Light! Ugh. So stubborn. Yeah, whatever. Lights? That's what I thought. Ugh! Fine. No light? Hey! Who unplugged this? Hold on. I got it. Ah, there. Huh? Having trouble? Kind of. Is it this? Still nothing. What? Hey, there's no bulb in here. Nope, it's over here. Silly. Aw, man. Now what? A balloon? Could I use this instead? Maybe it'll work. Come on. First, I need to set the scene. And I need a lot of glue. And toilet paper, of course. There. Now I can live here. On the balloon. I'm gonna cover the whole thing. Looks like a good coat, right? I think that'll do just fine. See? Next up, cardboard. But I need the right shape. Just big enough for this guy. Thanks for the help, balloon. I just needed the air. And now I have my own shape. But I'm not gonna leave it all white. Almost done. There, all dry. Where did I put that cardboard? Ta-da! Wow, my own little planet. Let there be light. Wow, so pretty. Go me! No way! Did you make that? It's so cosmic over here. Can I sit? Sure. Let's read it together. This place is so cool. And so me. I feel the exact same way. Our very own special room. We're awesome. I think so.